Pumanaw na si Department of Migrant Workers Secretary Susan Ople. Ayon sa abiso ng DMW, pumanaw si Ople kaninang alauna ng hapon. Kasama ni Ople sa mga huling sandali ang kanyang pamilya at mga kaibigan. Wala pa namang abiso ang pamilya Ople kung saan ibuburo lang kalihim. Kasabay nito, nagpaabot ng pakikiramay si Pangulong Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. sa pamilya Ople. Sabi ng Pangulo, nawalan siya at ang bansa ng isang kaibigan.
It's a very, very sad news. Um, I have lost a friend. The Philippines has lost a friend. Secretary Tuts is a special person, and with uh, with a deep compassion, really, for the people that she had to care for, namely the migrant workers, and she was very, very. Well, it's a big loss. She's ang galing-galing ni Secretary Toots. She very much followed in the tradition of Kablas Ople, of excellence, of compassion. It is a great loss for all of us. It is a great loss for all of us who called her my friend. It is a great loss to the Philippines for the service that we know she could still have rendered had she lived.
Hanga si Pangulong Marcos sa galing ni Ople. Sabi ng Pangulo, ibinigay ni Ople ang kanyang buhay sa pagsisilbi sa mga manggagawang Filipino. Walang kapaguranahan niya ang kalihim sa pagtataguyod na matiyak na mabigyan ng proteksyon ang mga manggagawa. Sinabi pa ng Pangulo na marami nang nagawa si Ople sa larangan ng public service. Itinalaga ni Pangulong Marcos si Ople bilang kalihim ng DMW noong nakaraang taon. Shona Yu, Radyo Inquirer, bayang nagtatanong, mamamayang nagsisa.